Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady. Welcome back to Between the Keys. I got another Eminem tune for you. Quick time. Let's just make sure the piano is still showing you the notes that I play. Yes, we have liftoff, Houston. So, it's my name is, and I have 4 more chords for you. And the chords are easy as cake, easy as pie. They are F5, which when you see F5, by the way, it means without the third. Here's F. Without the third, you have just a C. And another F on top if you want. And then G. So we moved up a tone. And then B flat to A flat. They're all 5 chords, no thirds. And notice sometimes I'll play the B flat like that. I'm still playing the same notes, but I'm just playing it slightly lower so it's easier to get from the G. As opposed to moving up. And that's the whole song. So next up on Between the Keys, no. You also need that, those 3 notes. Bump, bump, and bump, and then. Now I'm in time. Yeah. And now, I ruined it. No, don't try and solo on a song with all 5 chords. You'll have a crazy time. And then you try and rap along with it and you get this. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Chicka Slim Shady. My name is huh? My name is what? My name is Chicka Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? Excuse me, who? What? My name is I can't do the my name is and bum 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 bum. My name is. Okay, and then, hi kids, do you like violence? Yeah. Want to see me stick? Okay, I'm not going to read the rest because it gets pretty graphic, man. Pretty graphic, right? Okay, you want to copy me and do exactly like I did? Oh my god, my brain's dead. Wait, I'm trying to get my head straight, but I can't figure out which bleep bleep bleepity bleep bleep. And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiot. Because Dr. Dre's dead, he's locked in my basement. That's actually not what it says. Why is your face red, man? You wasted. Well, since age 12, I felt like I'm someone else because I hung my original self from the top bunk with the belt. God damn. It's just crazy. What was he on? I don't want any of it. Keep it. Anyway, that's enough for today. Thanks for tuning in. We've got Lose Yourself on the channel. We've got My Name Is. And then from the same album... This album is what? Curtain Call. I might do Stan and Sing for the Moment. Or maybe I'm Slim Shady, yes I'm the real Shady, are you other Slim Shadys? Maybe Mockingbird as well. This was probably his best album. Cleaning Out My Closet is also good. I can't decide, they're all good. Just Lose It When I'm Gone. Okay, maybe I'll just do a bunch more from this album. So stay tuned. Keep your ears glued to the radio, cause chicka here I go. Eminem, Between the Keys. Next up, another one coming soon to cinemas.